Use of some and any. It's any. Yes. Okay. Good.
Assalamualaikum. This is me, Abdullah Maruf, and my topic is use of sum and any. First, we discuss sum. We use sum in countable and uncountable sentences. What is countable? Countable sentences are those which you can count, like there are three fans, they have two brothers. So these are countable sentences. And uncountable sentences are those the things we can't count. Like I have some money in my bag. Money as a sentence is not countable, but probably we say 2 euros, 10 rupees. In that case, we can count. Otherwise, money is uncountable. So let's look at example. There are some vegetables in the fridge. Fridge में कुछ सब्जियां पड़ी हैं. We don't say there are any vegetables in fridge. So here we use some. Second, I have some money in my bag. And first, vegetables are countable. We can count maybe 2 potatoes, 3 onions in the fridge. These are countable sentences. And second, I have some money in my bag. In this case, money is unaccountable. You can't count. So I don't know what is the money and what is the real amount of money. Second, sum is also used in offering and requesting to someone. Look at the numbers like, would you like some more tea? You can't say, would you like any more tea? So this not make sense. Second, could I have some more water, please? In this sentence, I'm requesting to someone, could I have some water, please? So some is used in requesting and offering. Any. We use any in negative sentences and in questions. Like, she does not have any money. She does not, this is a negative sentence. And money, we also use any in positive and negative sentences also. Here, money is also uncountable. Second, does she have any sisters?
Okay, this is very good. I mean, you elaborated very well, and the handout is very good, easy to understand.